Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, get comfortable, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I'm super excited in case you can't tell. I'm going on a 3-day sailing cruise. It's the first time I'm doing anything like this. Of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. And it's gonna be exciting. 3 days on the water. We're going to the beautiful beaches of Halkidiki. Yeah, I will show you better than I will tell you. And this trip is sponsored by YAKO Sailing Club. I'm really excited to be partnering with them. They offer private cruises and yacht hires. I will definitely link their information in the description box. You can check out their website. You can find out more information. But I'm going to take you along with me so you can see what it's like, see what the experience is like. So from what I've seen so far, because I did visit their yachts a few days ago, and from what I've heard, it's definitely an experience worth having. It's almost summer right now in Greece, so it's a perfect time to go sailing. Guys, this is going to be an experience, so let's go. Hi everyone, we're here waiting to start our trip. I'm with Marion, Panos, and Anna. And yeah, we can't wait to get started. Ooh, and we are off. Hey guys! Those are our sailing partners. And this is Costas, our captain. How Costas?
So, I will take a photo of you. So Costa? So Costa?
Hi Yanis! Hey guys! guys, this takes some adjusting to. It's quite windy, but I'm getting used to it. How is it? How are you finding the?
I think the weather is just fine. We're just having a few bumps.
Just a few bumps here and there.
That's all. It's totally normal.
More like really crazy bumps. But let me show you guys. Finally some music to distract me from the waves. Thank you. Whoa. So these are the confessions of a first-time sailor. I won't lie. It takes some getting used to these waves. And apparently this is what the whole day is going to be like. It's quite windy, but tomorrow and Monday should be a lot more calmer. So let's see. Just got to our first stop, Epanomi Beach over there. You guys, I didn't realize how unsettled my heart was until we stopped. Now that we've stopped, it's just like right now the sea is really calm. The sun is coming out, so looking forward to some sun. Llamas.
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 Διέψετε μέσω βίντεο παντού, σε όλη την Ευρώπη και την Αμερική.
So these were starters, and apparently the main course is over there, the course. Gonna go take a swim. The weather is so beautiful. We are still kind of docked, parked, whatever you call it, at Epanomi Beach, and it looks really good. So I just changed into my swimming costume and I'm gonna go swim.
Bravo!
Guys, things were good at some point, but now we're back to a wavy situation. Look at that. guys, it's day 2 of the 3-day sailing cruise that I'm on with YAKO Sailing Club. I'm super excited to see what today has in store. The weather is gorgeous. I can't wait to show you. Yesterday was so amazing. We were just sailing through the sea. The weather was a bit crazy, but you know, they say smooth seas never made for skilled sailors. So I really got to experience that, and at first it was a bit unsettling, but then I quickly got used to it, and I just got used to the rhythm of the ocean, you know, like you feel the waves and you just like go with the waves. So that was a really amazing introduction to sailing and to the sea. We stopped in the middle of the sea for lunch, which was so amazing, and then we did a little bit of swimming in the sea. Today we should be doing a lot more swimming. We're going to stop at one of the beaches in Halkidiki and swim and just do some more sailing and enjoy the sea. It's just a different vibe, guys. It's just a different vibe, just living this like catamaran life, you know, living in these cabins and just literally living on the sea. So I can't wait to show you guys. Let me head for breakfast, and I'm sure we're about to start sailing again, sailing soon. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Let's see. Hey guys, it's day 2. We're sailing again, and I just changed yachts. So I wanted to show you what this one looks like. It's really cute and cozy. So this is just the bottom cabin, and here we are. Hey guys, this is Joanna. How have you found the trip so far? It's amazing, right? Yeah. It's just nice to be out on the sea. It's like a different type of lifestyle, just surrounded by the sea. The weather is so great today.
So it's my first time here, so I think I'll do it again next year for sure.
I'd love to do it again. And
we love YAKO sailing.
Yes, we love YAKO sailing. What do you have on your plate? Do you want to take me through?
What?
Mussels. What is this called?
What? This? Sausage.
Sausage.
Yeah, sausage. Meatballs. It's fish roast. Okay. Shrimps.
And?
Squills.
Nice.
Yeah. That's cheese sauce and fish egg sauce.
Nice. Thank you. This is us, and this is where we're parked or docked for the night. See, there are lots of other yachts and boats here. Hi everyone, it's the last day of our 3-day sailing cruise, so it's day 3. I feel exhausted, but like good exhausted from having so much fun yesterday. Yesterday was beautiful. We swam again in the sea and the weather was just perfect. The sun was out and bright, and it's just a different vibe, you know, just like we've been chilling on the boat, listening to music, having conversations, swimming, eating a lot of Greek food, drinking ouzo. I think I've learned a few more Greek words from this trip. Especially like the names of the foods. I'm looking forward to today. It's the final day, some more sailing. It's gonna be sunny as well today, so just another day on the sea, enjoying the water, enjoying the vibe. It's really beautiful. Like I think I could get used to this. It's a really nice summertime activity to do every now and then, so I get it. I understand why people do this. Enjoy the rest of this vlog, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like the most about this trip. Let me know if you have sailed before, if it's something that you would do. Just drop a comment. I can't wait to see your comments, and I'll definitely respond. And if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Kalimera! Everyone should do this at least once in their life. Look at these views, guys. case you guys are still like wondering how we live in cabins, I just wanted to show you. That's the room. It's a mess. That's someone else's cabin room. And this is the bathroom. That's the toilet. Sometimes when you're sitting on the toilet or taking a shower, you can see some fish from there. And this is the sink area. And so this lifts out to create a shower. And that's how we shower. I'll put that back. And we just drain the water using these buttons. This drains the water for the shower and this flushes the toilet. So it's quite interesting and really simple and a good use of space if you ask me, because we're able to all fit inside these small cabins. Captain Faye. So we're heading north and then we shall go west. And we are cruising at, I don't know what the captains usually say. Yeah, guys. Panayotis, what are you doing? Is this our lunch?
Yes.
Yeah, George, what were you saying about
Okay, this is the very famous beach of Chrousso.
Okay, this one over here.
The whole beach is called Chrousso, the whole beach, everything. And it's very, very famous. And that's why there's so many beach bars.
What do we have here? Ooh.
Fresh fish, fried,
Nice.
and a sauce for fish here.
So yummy.
No words.
Yamas.